Oh my god! It looks like cake. I'm not gonna lie, I do have smelly feet. Golden Ramsay.
So fair.
No, don't drop it, I don't like it. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for you. I'm going to be doing a vlog because you all love my vlogs for some odd reason. This is really bright because it's currently not even 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been awake since 4:30. I'm so tired, but yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel and give it a big thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. But yeah, it's currently Monday and I'm going to obviously go to school, but I haven't been in like the whole of last week. I was in Monday last week and we had Friday off anyway, but I was ill all last week, so I'm a bit confused. I hate having this much time off now, and I'm like, go back to school and I'm bloody confused. I'm like, what's happening? But I don't know, but I've got like, I have to leave at 8:10, so I've literally got 2 hours and 10 minutes. I'm gonna win. Chippy boy, come here. You scared of the light? The light is coming. Oh my god, Arena and Pete split up. And so I'm just keeping it real with you all. I had like snot underneath my nose in that last one, so that's lovely. Because I just blew my nose and I still have it there now, so if you can see that. We love a snotty sister. God, I'm James Charles. Sorry. My bed is coming tomorrow. Thank the Lord. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And then my room tour, it'll be up sometime next week, like I promise you, because that bed was meant to come in 1 to 2 weeks, but apparently it was meant to be 3 to 4 weeks. But no, me and my dad 1000% heard 1 to 2 weeks, and they wrote it down. So that's the ranges. Today I'm going to curl my hair, not like the tight curls because they take hours and don't have time for that. So I'm just going to do like loose curls with the Babyliss Secret Curl Wand, and then I need to order the Lee Stafford, is that what they're called? The chopstick curler ones, because they do tight curls, because I can't be asked to use that pencil, so yeah. But okay, I need my glasses on because I literally am blind. Got my breakfast, a pancake. God, I need my nails done. That is shocking. Like, okay, so I'm just doing that because I don't need to see my school badge, but I'm going to school now, so I'll talk to you later. I'm vlogging. Say hello. Hello. So we're in Morrison's and we're gonna do a Halloween like. You okay? You okay, Emma? Can I pretend I've been talking to you because people are gonna look at me otherwise. So we're gonna do a Halloween treats video, and it's been, how stressful has it been, Emma?
Literally.
So stressful, honestly. And like, Morrison's is rubbish. They have no orange lollipops. So you do know what we're doing? We're dyeing our icing orange and then making the icing go on a normal lollipop to make it orange. This video better get me money. Because all I care about is views, and that was a joke for anyone that does not understand the process of a sarcastic joke. But now you do. I'm joking, I love you all, but I'm so stressed. Oh yeah, and instead, because we couldn't find skewers, we're using coloured straws. It looks like Christmas. Woohoo! And that's orange, that's alright. And we've been getting some sweets because I literally am on a budget now. I can buy all this myself. I couldn't even get proper Nutella. I had to get Savers Nutella. Where's the jumper from? Pillow thing. I've got a phobia of crisps for anyone that is new. I don't even know if I've got everything. Not gonna lie, these Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies are the.
Come on, let's go pay.
Alright.
Let's go.
Emma's usually like the silly one, and I'm usually like the mummy, aren't I? But today, for some weird reason, also I started shouting out like marshmallows tonight. Instead of saying like mini marshmallows, normal marshmallows, and skewers, wasn't it? Yeah. I was shouting out mini. I was shouting out mini, and this boy comes up past me. He was like,
so fair.
God. So unfortunately, all the food came to £30. Not even the food, the bits and bobs that I'm going to turn into a crap show with Emma. But Emma's good at cooking, so hopefully she'll help.
I'm a chef, because my mum's a chef, so...
Yeah, her mum was
she's now a nurse.
TV. Was she on TV?
watched on TV.
On a newspaper?
Oh no, she was in a newspaper with a really famous
On a
chef.
newspaper with a really famous chef, but Jamie Oliver, but it wasn't. Who was it? Gordon Ramsay. Oh my god!
It looks like cake. Oh, it looks like brownies.
Is it gonna blow up?
Oh my god, that body thing over there, really scared.
This is shit. Oh my god, Emma! Okay, so if our if our kitchen's a mess up, that's because it is, because we have a horrible kitchen. But I'm gonna stand you up somewhere. Let's stand you up here. But basically, I'm gonna take that off. Me and Emma did our video where we filmed we cooked one thing out of 5, so we still got 4 more. Oh my god, and it took us 2 hours because we burnt everything. Yeah, so now I try to make myself just some cookies because I wanted to. So yeah, basically this is what my cookies look like. Oh my god, my glasses. Oh my god, they're so gross. Okay, is this gonna make me look so bad? Yeah, I've got a spot on my forehead and I'm really sad. And I've got spots like everywhere. But I've got a massive one on my forehead and it really hurts. But yeah, I'm going to school now. It's like 8:07 and I've got to be around Emma's. She lives next door to me, so it doesn't take that long. By 10 past, but I can't find my blazer and it's right here. Yay. Oh my god, so yeah, it's Tuesday if I didn't mention. Don't know how long this vlog's going to be. Probably not a whole week because, you know, I can't be bothered. But, and I also haven't got a video, so let's say hello. Okay, so I'm back home now, obviously, and this spot's come up bigger than ever. I'm going to do so much tonight. I'm going to finally pick up my bed, thank the Lord. And also, does say hello, Alice? Is the flashlight a bit much? No, never too much. Stop. So I want to do like Zara haul, but I have like no money till the 25th. So I have to wait like 9 days. That's a little bit annoying, but it's alright because we can deal with that. Also, by the way, I really hurt my now. I probably really said that, but yeah, today, honestly, today has been really good. Not going to lie to you all. I did. It sounds really funny because we were just airdropping like weird things to each other. I know, so weird. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna upload this tomorrow. I'm being so slack on my uploads, but I'm trying to concentrate on school. I don't have time to film. I don't have time to do things. Well, I have been filming my Halloween video in this video. So I guess, and also we've got room tour coming out on Friday. But yeah, I'm gonna do loads of advent calendar unboxings in November. So no makeup ones before anyone triggers me, and I'm joking. But I've made like a list of loads because people were like, so if you don't want makeup, how are you going to unbox advent calendars? Well, there's body care ones, and also I don't mind like unboxing skincare ones because I can give them to my sister or something. So I don't mind like unboxing skincare. But yeah, I've got like body ones, I've got jewelry ones, candle ones, accessory ones, bathroom ones. I've got literally tons, and a lot of them are cheap. Okay, so I'm just going out to get out of my bed now, and this is my outfit I've gone for. So I've got cycling shorts on. Please ignore my room. Very sorry, but yeah. So I'm wearing this. I also told him it look really like wide, but I mean it would look dreadful if it was that tight, wouldn't it? So yeah, looks nice, baggy and cute. This was from Misguided in the sale. All we know, I love a good bargain. And then my Chanel necklace, which I always wear no matter what. That, however, is not such a sorry, my plaster. Oh my god, my nails are disgusting. I love it so much. And then I have my cycling shorts on from Pretty Little Thing, and my boots on from Steve Madden. But I'm just going to change them to black ones because these will go better because these clash a bit with the pink, I feel like.
They're lovely mirrors, aren't they?
We're just in the range getting my bed, and my dad wants to. Oh, he just come back from work. That's why he looks like this.
Yeah. Dressed up especially. You're going to go for a meal after. They're lovely mirrors, aren't they? Hey? Look, that one, yeah, you can see yourself in. Look, and that one.
Don't be stupid.
Yeah.
So if you're new to my channel, my dad's a little bit special. And no, he's not drunk. Everyone always thinks he's drunk. He has, how many years haven't you drunk in?
11. Oh, look,
Well
this
done.
is splendid. Look, I can see myself in this one as well. That's mad.
He's basically like me. This is why I'm so weird.
Look, this one's a nice one. This.
No, stop it.
No, it's a nice big one.
And you're my best friend, are you?
Yeah.
Am I your best friend?
You, Mummy, and Alice.
Yeah.
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 Oh.
Okay, I thought my dad
Oh,
just went, you would have loved
so-
this back in the day.
No, no,
Would you?
no.
Look at that
Yeah,
bloody
look.
spot.
I can't believe it. They've got a picture of Farrokh.
Hang on, come in the mirror a sec. Come in the mirror.
What?
Do that. Who thinks me and my dad look alike?
I'm a bit shorter.
Who thinks me and my dad look alike? Look, no, look up there, look up there.
Up there?
We look really good taking selfies in the rain.
Yeah, I know.
It's a bit embarrassing.
Wait, look.
Oh my god, it's you!
Oh, yeah.
In your prime.
It is actually. I'll go in the back garden while you're all asleep like that.
Let's his true colours float. By the way, we're joking for no one that gets jokes. Do
Oh, dear.
you think I need to get a belt for this top?
No,
Like, to tie
that's
it
all right,
round?
isn't it? Oh, look. That looks so nice on the wall.
It
Oh, look. Two giraffes loving each other.
Oh, I'm a bit drunk. No, I'm not really, by the way. Again, a joke. This outfit's so cute. So cute. Huh?
You could have that one, and that one, and
Got
have a
yourself a
wall full of
jungle.
animals.
That was not funny. Are you getting a bit desperate for your jokes now?
Wait, no, I'm not. No. That's gorgeous.
It's your nose. No, look. Don't you see a resemblance? That's what yours look like.
I might
Oh,
take.
it's my neck.
Wait, I'll tell you what, Summer. I might take that back, but do you know what?
What?
I'd have to put it in my trunk. Boom, boom.
Why are you going down the stationery, hun? Do you like
What?
when I call you hun?
I don't know.
He gets really annoyed when I call him
Don't
hun.
say that.
He finds it cringy, hun. Come on, hun.
You're just stringing me along.
My dad just was going to go. No, ask if they've got one for 2024 and say it's going to be a big year for you. Shall we, please? I dare you to.
Yeah, but there's no one around it.
Yeah, there is. Look, I
There
just
is,
saw
there is.
my dad's going to go up to a worker and say, "Have you got one for a calendar for 2024?
You're
It's a
just
big year."
basket case. Oh, look. Here's someone trying to go bowling. I'll probably drop it in a minute. I wonder if that.
No, stop it. We're not getting a fish. We had
Wait, no,
we
look,
had free
give me
fish.
this, give me this.
No, I'm scared. No, no, no.
Look like a
no.
spaceman, look.
No, get it off. This is gonna fall. No, no, don't drop it. I don't like
I
it.
want it.
Just had a panic attack. Oh God, we can get told off.
How comes there's no fish in it?
Oh, shut up. We're gonna get kicked out, aren't we? Oh look, Felix. Felix, if you're watching us, I found your name. Back home now, so we never actually ended up going to IKEA. Oh, hang on, do I look ugly? Yeah, sorry. And only, oh my God, my mum's room looks so tidy. Because all my stuff was in here. We never ended up going to IKEA because, hang on, I should put you up there so I take off my shoes. We never went up to IKEA because it was getting late and we want my dad to put my bed up tonight, even though it's 9 o'clock already. Bloody hell, that's a bit late. Why do I change accents? So weird. But yeah, not gonna lie, I do have smelly feet. I mean, I'm being real. Jesus Christ. You wouldn't think I had smelly feet because look how small my feet are. Hang on, I don't want to show my feet. Oh, they're so gross. I hate my feet. It is Wednesday now and I slept in my bed. Oh my God, I love it so much. Let me take my glasses off because you're gonna get a glare. Okay, so I'm back home now. My tongue's gone really patchy, so ignore that. But I'm actually going to end the vlog here. So yeah, it's Wednesday night. No, Wednesday like at 4 PM. And yeah, I had a really good day. I'm just going to tell you about it. Okay, I don't know where to put you. I'm going to put you all here. Yeah, does that work? That kind of works. Oh, I'm gonna hug a pillow because I feel like all cozy and cute. Okay, so I had a really, really good day today. Honestly, I'm so stressed with my GCSEs. I'm in year 10, so I mean, I like my mocks and that. Like, my GCSEs are less than 2 years away. And that seems like such a long time, but please just think back of how quick the last 18 months have gone. They've gone like that, and that's what my GCSE is going to be like, that, GCSEs. See, I've been so worried about like my science. So we did like a little one today, and I got a 5, which is a high or middle C, which for me is amazing because I just thought I'm never going to pass. And I know it's in like a practice one at the beginning of year 10, but that makes me happy. And also my art teacher said that I'm doing really, really well, and I got like one of the highest. It's marked, I can't say what grade it was because it wasn't graded, but it was marked in a weird way. I can't really explain it. But yeah, so I'm really happy about that. And also I finally get algebra today. Don't know why. Today's been a good academically day for me. I'm not very academic, and today's been the day where it's my chance to be academic, and I have been. And I get algebra. I've been learning it since year 5, 6, 7, 8, year 9. It's been 5 years and 5.5 years it's taken me to learn algebra, and I get it. I get algebra, thank you. I'm so clever. Not really, but I'm just happy because, I mean, I got like, at least I got a C in my science. So hopefully by like, honestly, I don't care what GCSEs I get as long as I get a C, because then you've passed. Like a 5 I want to aim for, but in art I want to get a 7. In English, which one? I don't know. Anyway, got to end this now because I'm going to edit it. And yeah, hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great rest of your week. This is actually going up tonight. So yeah, please subscribe if you enjoyed, and give it a comment and give it a big thumbs up. I love you all so much. Bye.